Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a simple stock Redcat, which this one has modified knuckles. I may make a video show you how to do that. Turn it into a four-wheel steering Redcat. Get you some real turning radius. Okay. I'm going to cut a little steering stop off of the axle knuckle. So this thing should turn a whole lot sharper now. I parked the four-wheel steering truck where that one was just to show you the difference. That is with your steering stops cut. This is four-wheel steering with no steering stops cut. Quite a bit better. Stronger setup because your steering stops aren't cut. The other steering servo. Servo Y harness that automatically reverses one side. A wonderful empty bag. This is the servo plate, part number 18010, official Redcat parts. Some shock spacers to adjust suspension with. Okay. Redcat servo linkage, part number 18021. That's the factory Redcat servo linkage. Servo mount. Wheel spacers. These are 25mm hub adapters. Take out these screws here. There. Always put your fingers so you don't lose them. The little linkages. And voila. We have a put. 20mm by 3mm. Factory Redcat drag link. No adjustment needed. It goes on top of the normal tie rod. It goes down inside the plate. This is why you need to get some extra screws. Redcat doesn't supply those with the bracket. I'm sure they probably have a part number for a correct screws for them. Little bitty, 3mm by 10mm. They drop down in the hole like so, about flush. That way when your servo sits down on top of it, they don't stick up. Redcat, very, very funny story. This is the second one I've ordered. The last one was correct. Put these on upside down. These are supposed to be up here. That happens, not a big deal, but disconvenient. Remember guys, you're dealing with plastic. Don't over tighten. Okay guys, there's your new servo. It's nice. Really, really, really nice aluminum arm. Where you do that? Make your white match your white, your black match your black, your red match your red, which is in the middle. Pretty self-explanatory. Then, and the same thing, I'll make sure that when you plug it up, your white goes to your white, red goes to your red, black goes to your black. You don't necessarily force it, you just want to make sure it's good and plugged up. Same thing, white goes to white, red goes to red, black goes to black. Remember, when you turn on RC, always do this first. Then you turn on the unit. So it's backwards. Alright? So what that means? Yeah, it's backwards. So, you need to unplug it. Now, you'll set your wheels straight. Front wheels are straight. You want to set your wheels straight. This is going to end up here. You want to put this on pretty well straight up now. Go over one. Turns your wheels really bad. You don't want that. Front straight. We'll get these pretty well straight. Aluminum on aluminum, you want to tighten that pretty daggone good. Pretty well. Everything's on there. Up in there. Now, watch the magic happen. You check your locks, make sure you're not over binding your servo, but everything seems to be good. Pretty awesome. Now, we got to finish routing. We need a few cable ties for that. I'll step inside and grab. Watch this, guys. This thing will turn right around this T-Max. It's 2.5 T-Max. It's been electric converted, of course. Pull my youngin' around. You know, a gas power's not going to do all that great. Look at how much power the steering has on this thing. That 4-wheel steering works good, don't it, Bubby?